Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Minecraft CurseForge error code, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to the search bar and type in device manager. Once the device manager is open, you can make your way over to display adapters. From display adapters, what you can do is go ahead and right click on your GPU and hit update driver, and then you can choose how do you want to search for your drivers and choose search automatically for drivers. Now this is one way of updating your drivers. Another method you guys can try doing is by going over the GeForce app directly if you are on NVIDIA. And if you're on AMD, then you can go ahead and just use the AMD equivalent app, or you can just manually install it from Google or the browser of your choice. But anyways, once the NVIDIA GeForce Experience app is open, just make your way over to drivers. From drivers, right click on, or not right click, just click on check for updates, and then go ahead and choose download if it says game ready drivers available. And once this is downloading, I highly recommend restarting your PC right after as well, and once that is done, you guys are good to go, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.